Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media. Thanks for dropping by. Today we're going to be talking about the ZAKUSTECH rear louvers for the 350Z. Now, ZAKUSTECH is a very reputable company that makes probably the best quality and the best looking louvers that I've seen on the Z's so far. There are some competitors, but I just don't quite like the look as well. These I got from Boston. Some guy was selling them in Boston, and they were the primed version. So I just had them painted when I got here. That's why you don't see a sticker on the bottom. But I do have a decal coming in. I decided to buy one today after I looked up the website and everything just to make sure I got all the information correct. Now, when I was looking into these about a year ago, people were having a very hard time waiting for them to be made. They were made to order, and I was hearing horror stories of, you know, I ordered them and 5-6 months later they were just starting to arrive, and that's not what they have advertised on their website today. I saw between a week and 4 weeks before the order is sent out. So they could have improved on that. I do see that they're covering more models, not just the Z. I think they have the the 300ZX. I think I saw the one for the Supra, and also for the Toyota 86. So there's some options in there for you guys as well. Now, the way that you attach the louvers is 3M tape down the side there. A lot of people have asked me if it rivets like right to the glass or something like that, and that's, I don't know, that's kind of ridiculous. You can't do that. But my advice is do a very thorough cleaning and put as much tape as you can on there. I put 2 strips, so it was almost the whole width, and these have been on here successfully for about a year and a half, something like that, and it's been holding pretty well. There is an issue on that side where that corner lifted up. I'm gonna have to retape that, but that was only very recently, so I think about a year and a half, and just having a corner detach a little bit, I don't think that's too bad. Now, one thing that I want to recommend that I did, but I wish I did more, is when you are installing these louvers, get yourself like some rubber tubing from Home Depot and cut a section of it right down the middle and put it over the inner fins that are going to be closest to the glass. So if you can see, all those little guys right there, they're only 5 inches each, 4 or 5 inches each. And what I wish I would have done is done the entire length, because although it cuts down on the rattling quite a bit, if the whole thing was covered, I don't think there'd be very much rattling at all, if any. For the measurements portion of the video, the side pillar is approximately 29 3/4 inches, and it is 1.5 inches wide. Top portion right at 42 inches. The lower bit is 38 3/4. The bottom fin is 5 inches, and that's the biggest one. All the rest are 3 3/4 inches. I don't know if the top one's any different. The very top one's a little bit shorter. It's 3 1/4 inch. That angle on the side for the bottom one is 6 inches, and then we have 4 3/4 for the rest of them. The one question I do get asked all the time is if the visibility is any good, and I know it looks like it covers up a lot of the back window, but the metal is so thin that you can just see right through it, and when you're sitting in the driver's seat and you look out the rearview mirror, I can hardly even tell they're there. So visibility for me is not an issue at all. after a year and a half of owning them, my only regret about these is not owning them sooner. I think they do a lot for the car aesthetically. Obviously there's no performance enhancement for them, but I just think it makes the car look very unique, a little bit more aggressive, and definitely fits in with the overall look of my car. I'm not sponsored by them, I'm just giving you my honest opinion, so I would definitely recommend them if you could find them. You know, the primer version, if you're good at painting, you can paint them yourself, and you can save yourself $150 or something like that. I think it's around like $450. But you know, they have the carbon fiber options. Those are more expensive. I think that's like right around $1,000. But great little pieces for your car if you're thinking about getting them. I definitely recommend it. If you have any questions that I didn't cover, please leave it in the comments section and I'll answer them there. And please feel free to subscribe. I'm looking to grow this channel and put more content out, so I'd really appreciate the support, and there'll be some more Z content coming up. And other than that, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Have a good day. Thanks.